vlog. We are going for a walk today. It's Sunday, 3:20 p.m. So, a weird time to start a vlog, but we're going to get this vinyl na in-order ko. In-order ko siya online, tapos malapit lang yung vinyl shop sa amin. So, lalakarin namin to there and then i-claim ko na. And I've been looking for this vinyl for such a long time. Ayun, and then after nun, pupunta lang kami to a cafe nearby and then journal or read. So, yeah, that's our Sunday. Hindi pa nila alam yung laman, pero i-unbox ka later.
Beanie! I didn't know na meron. Cute! Cute.
Dapat nag-aan. Jollibee, buti na. Ito yung lagi kong order sa Jollibee, spaghetti and chicken. Then si Nick's, rice, burger steak. With rice. Wait. Lahat? Lang. I'm just gonna show you yung mga things we got kanina nung lumabas kami. First off, we went to saan-saan and we got a new candle. Yung scented candle namin now sa living room namin. It's more of a coffee scent siya. Parang perfect alternative to for some days kasi this one is called Tea House, white tea, tobacco, and bergamot, and juniper. Ang name nito is Number 33 Tea House, inspired by the refined allure of tea houses with their inviting warm lights, low tables, and slow rituals. Like, super relaxing yung amoy niya. And then, dun sa saan-saan, meron ding mga books dun. And I randomly picked up this book. It's Wild Geese by Sola Emanuel. I remembered from the title yung poem ni Mary Oliver. And then, the main event, kaya kami lumabas today talaga is this record that I got from Backspacer Records. Itong plaka na to, ang tagal-tagal-tagal ko nang hinahanap. Oh my God, yun guys. It's blonde. I can't believe it. I don't even want to tell you guys how much this is kasi I don't want to say. Pero I don't regret it. Pero I feel like hindi na ako bibili ng vinyl for a long time. Wow. Yeah. They are having cereal for breakfast, and I just finished taking a bath and nag-walk din ako sa baba, sa lobby lang. So, meron ako 5,000 steps today. That's Nothing Beat by Richard. I'm going to start this book. I'm starting this book with my friend Chavi. So, si Chavi, friend ko siya since Tumblr days, friend ko siya. Tapos nasa Singapore na siya. We are big fans of Doechii. Kasi Doechii kasi, if hindi niyo alam yung lore niya. She was able to write her first album na ended up winning a Grammy. So, a course in discovering and recovering your creative self. I am going to make my coffee. Si Nix, she's getting ready for work. Pero it's already 9:11, so she's leaving in a bit na din. Kasi 10 a.m. yung work niya. We attended an event Saturday, which is yung opening ng Cooper's Coffee sa Mega Mall. And they gave me this coffee beans, which I'm going to try this morning. I usually make her coffee for work, pero nakalimutan niya yung tumbler niya sa office. So, hindi ko siya magagawa ng hindi ko siya magagawa ng coffee today.
Ooh,
Saan ka bibili?
Toby's.
My favorite. And your order is?
My order is either cold white
Or
the normal hot latte. So it depends. So yun laging sinasabi ng barista. The usual man.
I think ihahatid ko muna siya sa baba. Ihahatid ko muna siya sa baba, tapos saka ko gagawa ng coffee. But this is from Cooper's. It's their morning mischief coffee. The notes are caramel, nutty, tablea. It's medium dark and full body. Oh, it's so init. Bye-bye! serious yung work ko. Mag-edit lang ako ng video for today and for tomorrow. I usually like editing 2 videos in advance. I don't think na share ko na dito sa YouTube, but after 10 years of working, of a full-time job plus side hustles and all. Basically kasi hindi pa ako nakapag-intro dito sa YouTube. So, I am actually a writer, an editor, creative in general. So, I used to work in the publishing industry. I used to work for a magazine, a newspaper. My career spans 10 years. I turned 30 years old a month ago, February. And sabi ko, I would like a break. And that's what I gave myself. That brings us today na I was able to let go of my work. Thanks to people on TikTok who started watching my stuff and then letting me able to work with brands, getting paid for it. Like, that really changed my life. So yun, that brings us to today na content creation lang yung income stream ko. And I'm just taking a bit of break. I'm envisioning 7 months to, or siguro whole of 2025. But I can still see myself going back regular 9 to 5 job. Anyway, aayusin ko na to. My Q Cinema ID and my Cinemalaya ID. We went to Rolling Stone launch last week. These are my workmates before na nasa publishing industry pa din. So they invite me to stuff, to events like, magazine events like this. Today's lunch is chicken nuggets and rice. Unhealthy yung lunch ko today because parang gumising ako today nang nagki-crave ng nuggets. So, yeah. I'm just gonna watch Desperate Housewives.
Screw, you're just plain screwed.
Oh. I am trying very hard.
It's 6:30 p.m. and I'm still working but I'm almost done. Akala ko ba naka-mini retirement ako pero ang dami kong ginagawa. It's actually my fault kasi ang dami kong tinanggap na brand deals. Pero after this month, I promise I will be more mindful sa mga tinatanggap kong brand deal. Since I'm done with this, I'm going to take out my walking pad and watch a YouTube video while doing my walking pad para I can finish my 5,000 steps. Kasi kulang pa ako ng 5,000 steps.
Celebrity moment. I agree. I love that point. Like, obviously, I think influencers are fascinating to study, and it's kind of my job. And just very plastic. It can make you painfully interesting or more filled. But this video is already too long. Maybe that is the
I've been walking for 23 minutes and I still have 1,500 steps to go.